Tennis matches are always intense, but what happens when a clash of skills turns into a clash of words at the net? Townsend defeated former Grand Slam champion Jelena Ostapenko 7-5, 6-1. But the real drama came after match point. At the handshake, Ostapenko accused Townsend of breaking tennis etiquette by not apologizing after a net ball. Townsend fired back. "Maybe you should learn how to lose better." The exchange quickly turned into a heated debate about respect, sportsmanship, and pride. Townsend may have advanced to the next round, but the bigger story wasn't her forehand or serve. It was the fiery showdown at the net.